Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your entertainment and media business. Easy and quick. So first of all, let's type Durable on the search. As we know, Durable is a website, is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So, as we know, you can build this website just in 30 seconds with this AI. With this AI website builder, you can generate entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in and now create your new business. Now enter your business name and select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and click create business and wait this to wait a few minutes or a few seconds to generate this website business. So first of all, let's go to the first section. Let's go to the first section. You can edit the header from here. Now you can change the site name if you want. Also, you can turn the logo on and upload the file from here. Now you can change the label. Also, you can add a link, external link, and also you can manage your social links settings. You can add a channel. You can add a social links. Just select the type. Just select the type, and that's it. Click save, and let's move on. And if you want to add a section, just select the section from here, and that's it. It will be added. Now let's move on to the next section. Click edit. If you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. If you want also to change the subtext, if you don't like it, just click here. Now if you want to turn this on, or you can change the label or add a label here and add external link. Now I'm gonna turn this off and save this, and let's move on to the next section. The next section is this is the gallery section. You can change this. Now you can generate image if you don't like the image, and you can upload a photo from here, from browser or from library. If you want to pick up some image from here, for example, I'm gonna choose this, for example. Now let's pick it up and let's save this, and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text section. If you don't like the text, just click regenerate and click save, and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section. This is the list section. You can edit this. Also here you can manage your display settings. You can manage the image, the icon, the hidden or the content or the button here. Also you can manage your list items, and you can add a list item here. You can generate image. You can also manage the image position. You can generate a title. You can generate the content. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. the next section. This is the testimonials section. You can edit it from here. Now you can add testimonials here. If you want to generate a code from here, and if you want to generate this, and if you want to upload the image from here. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the location section. Click edit and you can edit this. If you want, you can edit your business address. You can also add additional text files. You can add a title and you can add the content here. Now let's save this and let's move on. This is the contact form section. If you want to regenerate the contact form, also if you want to manage files, if you want to manage this, turn this on, custom input labels. If you want to change the name or add a name, you can add email or your business email. You can add a message here. Now you can generate this, the form success message. So save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the last section. Click edit. This is the footer section. You can edit this business name. If you don't like it, you can change it. Also you can turn the logo and you can turn it on and upload a file from here. If you want to add additional details, just from here. If you want to turn this on and add a label or change the label, if you want to add a link here, also if you want to manage the social links here and add a channel, you can add a channel and select the social link. Just select the type and you can add the type here. Now before we complete this and create the website business, if you want to regenerate the content of any section, just select the content and it should be generated. Also if you want to regenerate the style, if you don't like it, you can change it. If you don't like the entire section, just click on it and it will be changed. So that's it. Let's save this. Now if you want to duplicate the section, just from here, if you want to delete it, just click on delete, this icon of delete, and it will be deleted. If you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. Now you can we save this, and if you wait a few minutes, a few seconds, now as we know, just click create and that's it. You're gonna create your website business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.